Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the free online courses that are offered by Harvard University. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So Harvard University have been providing few short courses on COVID-19 since the start of 2020 itself. So there are a lot of courses. I'll show you everything. These courses are in the format of webinars and the topic is clinical management through COVID-19. So everyone can take this course. These courses are free to enroll and you can also get a free certificate once you complete the courses. So let's see it. So these courses come out on monthly basis. So for November, you have COVID-19 reflections and updates. For October, you have silent spreaders, children and COVID-19, reopening of schools part 2. And for September, you have 4 more courses like COVID-19 and loss of smell, impact of COVID-19 on telehealth, COVID-19 testing on college campuses, the case for new lockdowns. And here you can see the older versions like August recordings, July, June, May, April recordings. All other things are available. You can simply click on it and see the recordings in that particular month. So all these courses are in the form of webinars too, so that it will be more interacting. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses and get the free certificate after completing it. So for November, you have COVID-19 reflection and updates. So let me click on it and you will be directed to this place, and here you can see the topic. Once you click on the topic, you will see that here, and here you can see a video. This is the only video that you have to watch for completing this entire course. So it's a short one, and if you click on here, activity description and accreditation information, you can see here the details like the actual release date. So this one was released on 3rd November 2020, and the end date, that is credit end date, it will be ending on 1st May 2021. So first one here is month, so make note of that. And estimated time to complete, so 0.75 hour, it's around 45 minutes. And here is the CME post test. So once you complete watching this video, you have to take a small test. It's a very short one, including survey plus a few questions which you need to answer. So it's a short one, and here they have given the course faculties and learning objectives of this particular webinar and the method of participation. So in the test, you have to score a minimum of 75% or more than that to get your certificate, and they have given the accreditation details and other few resources. And once you are done with this video, so you should be able to answer those questions in the test. So you should watch it fully, and once you are done with the video, if you scroll down, you can see here claim credits button. Click on it, and now you will see here the topic and a button. Click here to claim credits. So let me click on it now, and now you have to give your first name, last name, and email address and click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you will be coming to this page, and in this page you will again have a name box in which you have to give an exact name which you want in your certificate. So you can see that here. So your name exactly as you want it on your certificate. So type your name and give your country and check this box, that is click this button and then click on next. And now you have to take a short survey like the faculty and how was the course and how was the webinar content, all the things. So once you are done with answering all these questions, you have to click on next. So make sure that you are selecting certificate of attendance here in the 10th question. And if you are a physician, you can go with the first option, and if you're a normal person, you should be selecting this certificate of attendance. So once you are done with details, click on the next button. And this is the post test area. So this is what I told you. Here you will have 4 questions, and you need to make sure that you are getting at least 3 questions correct out of these 4 to get your certificate. So once you are done with answering these questions, you can click on finish. So now I have answered these questions. So once you have answered the questions, you can click on the finish button here. So that's it. Now we have completed the survey as well as the test, and here they have given that you will receive an email with the results, and if you earned a score of 75%, you will be able to get your certificate. So you will receive a mail like this from HMS accreditation, and here you will see here your test score. Here it is, your score on the post test was, and here you can see a copy of your certificate is available here. Click on print your certificate here and you will see your certificate like this. So this is how your certificate will be once you complete the test, and you should be scoring at least 75% to get this certificate. And now you can download this certificate and share it on your social media profiles. And this is the content for this video. Harvard University is providing free online courses on COVID-19. I hope you all liked this video. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.